All right, I don't know how much of that I got, but anyway, for me to hook up the stuff that I'm trying to hook up, I had to buy this Rockford Fosgate. It's a all-in-one digital sound processor and amplifier replacement. I guess you need this to hook up the amplifier and all that good stuff to the factory, to my factory head unit right there. So I had to buy this. This is like the little connection piece that I needed as well. Actually, this thing right here was expensive, man. This thing was almost daggone like $250 just for this. But I just want to keep everything factory. So anyway, again, I got my three 12-inch kicker L7s that I'm gonna hook up. I got my Kappa 6x9s Infinity. I got the 6.5s with the tweets. Then I got everything to hook all it up with. So anyway, what I was gonna do is make a video. I want to let you do I want to let you hear what it sounds like before. That's how I'm keeping everything original. So this is what it sounds like before. I'm gonna cut. I got a bass knob here that I already got. Like I said, I got two Alpine type R's already in here, but I'm gonna cut this all the way down and just let you hear the highs first and see how that goes.
Who we talking to, man? Who we talking to? Any nigga that act like a witch. Any bitch that act like a motherfucking.
Like I said, this is just a factory. I'm gonna try to open it up and see if we can notice a difference once we get the new highs and stuff installed. I'm opening the doors up. I'm gonna step back a little bit and see how far it goes. I'm not for sure how good you still can hear it is, but I figured I'd back up just to see how we can hear the factories. I'm gonna step back a little bit more here. I'm a good little couple parking spots away. Let me back a little bit further just to see if y'all can hear this. And I still can hear it from where I'm at. I mean, it's okay. Words are still clear. All right, I'm gonna go back up. I'm gonna shut my doors and I'm gonna cut my bass knob up to let you actually hear the Alpine type R12s. Like I said, I only got two of those, but I'm adding three kicker L7s. So I'm gonna try to see what the difference is in bass. Sorry if this video is so long. I'm gonna try to edit some stuff.
With this bitch, I put years in this shit, shed tears for this shit, bitch. I'm real with this shit. Don't push me, cause ain't no fucking thing about me, pussy, except this red shit that drip from me. I get money in my hood, bitch. Ain't nothing funny, but a faggot nigga and nut huggers and big hoops. We tussle over who got juice. You live in a lie, speaking of truth, who get loose.
Like I said, these are just the Alpine type R's that I got in here now. But actually I got my subs facing down. Let me show you here. Trying to show you something real quick. Hold on, y'all. It's about to get real ugly in your motherfucking club right now. We got a little piece of paper. I'm gonna try to show y'all. I think some shit about to go down. What's going down? This is what the jump. East side. Yeah, check this shit out. Let me see it. Let me see it. Let me see it. try to make a before video of what I got in here now, and I'm gonna make an after once I get everything installed. And I'm just trying to see, hopefully I'm gonna tell a big difference. I mean, if my system don't sound bad at all, but at the same time, man, you know what I'm saying, I want the best of the best. Like even with those Infinity Kappa speakers, those are like the, you know, one of the best ones you can get. L7s, pretty decent speaker, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully this thing is gonna sound really, really way better than what it is now.